Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. I am very excited to announce that we have hit 100 subscribers on our channel, and we are super thankful to all of you guys who have subscribed to our channel, and those who still have not subscribed, do it as soon as possible because we have got a lot of interesting videos upcoming, and trust me, you do not want to miss them. So I'm back with another product. It is BrandBay. BrandBay is a platform that lets you store your files or the digital assets, and after storing those files, you can even share them with your clients or even the team members of yours. A great feature of BrandBay is it supports white labeling, which means you can add your own customized branding to the interface of BrandBay, and all of the files are categorized so you can easily find your files in a very fast manner. So there are a lot of features of BrandBay, like you can organize multiple brand identities, so you can add multiple brands to your BrandBay account and then upload files accordingly so that all of the files are categorized into their particular brands. There are also some pre-made categories, and you can even create collections, which means new categories. You can also switch to different brands very quickly. A great news is BrandBay is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So as you can see, the regular pricing is $183, but at AppSumo the price is only $29, which is super affordable, and by purchasing this deal you are saving $150, which is massive. BrandBay is an alternative to Brandfolder, Binder and Canto, and the features that you will get from BrandBay AppSumo deal are here. So there is a Chrome extension, which means from that extension you can easily access your files. You can create groups, collections, there is media hosting, workspaces, snippets, notes, team access and so many other features. So these are the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $29. You can add 5 brands and the storage is 100 GB. Tier 2 costs $99. The storage is 400 GB. The tier 3 costs $219 with 1 TB of storage. There is also another tier which is tier 4, and it gives you 4 TB storage, unlimited brands at only $349. So if you want to buy this amazing AppSumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description. There is also a subscription plan which costs $12 for basic, $29 for pro and $79 for agency. The annual plan is more affordable, where the basic costs $8 per month, pro $17 per month and agency $48 every month. After you log into BrandBay, you will get a dashboard like this, and on the left side of the dashboard there are all the categories, different categories, and based on them you can upload files accordingly. So before I show you all these categories, first you have to create the brand. So this is currently an example brand. We have to create one of our own, and for that click on this icon, and then as you can see there is a demo brand which is example brand, and to create another one you have to click on this and then choose the name of your brand, and then you have to upload a logo. For example, this is my logo, and then the brand name, and you can choose the primary color of your brand. So I'm going to keep it this sky color and then click on next. So in here you have to add the site link. So this is going to be my site link. You can also select a font for your dashboard. It could be a custom font from this option. You can also select some fonts from here. So I'm going to choose this LF font and then click on finish. And as you can see on the left side, the brand has been created. So you can switch to different brands by clicking on the other one. And as you can see, the switching process is very fast. So let me go back to the new brand that I just created, and from this favorite section you can choose the color of your brand, the square logo, the horizontal logo, the vertical logo, the website, the font, and all of the things that you set earlier. You can change these settings, and in these favorite sections all of your files will appear that are marked as favorite, which means as you can see on the right side there is a star on them. So if I click on these 3 dots and click on remove from favorites, this snippet is going to be removed from this favorite section, which means any of the files from logos, colors or any other sections, you can make any file favorite and then you can easily find them in this section. Then there is the logo section. So as you can see, I already have some logos. And to upload a new logo, you can simply click on this plus icon and then choose the logo name, the transparency, the background color, and you can also change the privacy. You can make it public or private and then you can upload it. So the next section is colors. From here you can choose your colors. To add a new color, you have to click on this and then first you have to name your colors. So for example, I'm going to choose the black color and then you can choose whatever color you want and then save it. So as you can see, the black color has appeared. You can then set the hex, RBGA, HSL and other parameters of this color. You can also copy the hex code of this color. The next section is fonts. From here you can add a lot of different fonts. So according to your clients, you can make different collections and then add fonts, different colors, logos, and this way you can organize all of your assets for each clients. So to choose a new font, obviously you have to click on this new icon and then choose the name, font face. You can also upload your custom font, choose the size, weight and the spacing of your font. The next is links. So for example, you want to add a link that you do not want to forget, you can do that from here. Just click on new and then add the name of your link. Let's paste the URL first and then name it freebie and then you can add the link. And as you can see, the freebie link has appeared. The next section is notes. So from this section you can add different types of notes or even snippets. So when you are adding a note, just click on new and then add the name, then click on create a note. So as you can see, the editor has opened. You can write whatever you want from here, and there are also some formatting options such as you can add paragraph, heading, list, checklist. So this is a very detailed note section or editor, and for writers or all those people who love to take notes, they are surely going to love this feature. So let's go to the next feature, which is files. So from here you can add a lot of different types of files, and as you can see, there is already a PDF file. To upload a new file, once again you have to click on this. Then there is the images section and the video section. So these are all the already given categories, and based on these categories you can upload whatever materials you want. There is also another section called collection. So from this collection section you can add different collections to your account or to your brand. And what are collections exactly? Collection is another name of category. So these categories might not be enough for you. In that case, you can add different collections, and based on the type of collection you can upload your files. So let's create a new collection. For that you have to go to the top and then click on this plus collection button, and you have to add the name. For example, I want to create a collection for my YouTube videos. Click on create collection, and as you can see, the collection has been created. So for example, I can add all my YouTube videos from this section. For that I have to click on this plus icon and then put a name of the group, description. Since it is about videos, I'm going to select videos. You can also select the videos type and then click on create, and as you can see, the group has appeared. So from here you can start uploading your videos, or to be more precise, storing your videos. And a great feature of these video sections are you can even preview the video. Let me show you. So for example, this is a video. Let me open that, and if you play on this button, as you can see, there is an inbuilt video player on this brand-based platform. So this is a really good feature because you can see the duration of video, you can fast forward the video, you can also make it full screen. So this is a great feature of BrandBay. From the settings of BrandBay, you can add your team members. From here you can also change the permissions. So this way you can set particular permissions according to the role of your team members, and these are all the privacy settings. There is public, viewers, editors and admins. You can also change the permissions based on your need. So overall, I think BrandBay is a great tool. If you have a lot of files and if you are constantly sharing your files with your clients, it can be a really big hassle, because there are some good platforms such as Google Drive, but they do not have a good storage limit. In that case, you can use BrandBay. The storage is very good. There are a lot of features such as different categories, different brands, organization of your files, and the super easy share of your digital assets. So overall, I think BrandBay is a great tool, and these are are all the features you will get from the AppSumo deal, and these are the tiers. So at only $29, the tier 1 is a really good package because you are getting a whopping 100 GB storage. This is massive for only $29, and keep in mind you are getting this storage for lifetime, which is amazing. If you need more storage or more brands and users, you can choose the tier 2 or tier 4. There is also a tier 3. If you want to buy this AppSumo deal of BrandBay, check the link in the description box of this video. So that's it for our today's video. Subscribe to our channel, share this video, and if you found it helpful, make sure to drop a like. Goodbye.